It's important to understand that K-side refers to the Kamelya Aishen Club, the most family-friendly and affordable of the three main hotels in the Kamelya Collection resort complex. While Kamelya Fulya Hotel offers a more upscale experience, and Kamelya Selin Hotel leans toward a quieter, more refined stay, guests at Aishen Club receive nearly identical access to the resort's shared amenities at a lower nightly rate. When you book the K-side all-inclusive package through the link below, you'll unlock a limited-time discount of 51% on all room types, along with a wide range of inclusions. These cover buffet meals, unlimited local alcoholic and soft drinks, snack and ice cream service, and complimentary a la carte dining with prior reservation. Guests also enjoy full access to the shared pools, aqua park, beach facilities, sports areas, and family-focused entertainment programs available across the Kamelya Collection. Everything needed for a complete holiday is already included in the rate, with no hidden charges for core services, making this one of the best value resort packages in the region. I'll reveal more specific details as we go through this review. Kamelya Aishen Club is located in Kolakla, within the Manavgat district of Antalya province. The resort sits directly on a long stretch of sandy beach and is part of a gated complex with seamless internal access to the full Kamelya Collection. It's about 60 minutes from Antalya Airport and just a 15-minute drive from Side's historic Old Town, ideal for quick cultural excursions or shopping trips. This location works especially well for families and all ages groups who want a self-contained beachfront resort with easy day trip options nearby. You're close enough to explore, but far enough from the party zones to enjoy a more relaxed, resort-centered holiday with everything you need within walking distance. The most affordable option at Kamelya Aishen Club is the standard room, starting at under $150 per night per person with the current 51% discount applied via the link below. You'll get a clean and functional layout with a double bed, a twin Murphy bed, and a furnished balcony. It's a compact space best suited to couples or short-stay travelers looking for a budget-friendly base. For smaller families or those needing more space, the family room provides two separate sleeping areas within one unit, one with a double bed and the other with twin beds, allowing up to 4 guests to stay comfortably without sacrificing privacy. It's a practical upgrade for longer stays or anyone traveling with children. At the top end, the family suite offers significantly more space with a multi-room layout, 2 bathrooms, and capacity for up to 6 guests. It's the best choice for larger families or groups who want extra room to spread out while staying within the Aishen Club's all-inclusive setup. When you stay at Kamelya Aishen Club, you get access to the entire Kamelya Collection complex, so you're not limited to just one hotel's facilities. You'll find multiple pools, a large indoor pool, and a well-equipped gym if you want to keep up your routine. There's also a full-service spa with massage treatments and a Turkish bath if you're in the mood to unwind, though those come at an extra cost. The highlight for many guests, especially if you're traveling with kids, is the on-site water park. Because this isn't just a couple of token slides, you'll find a full setup with fast-paced water slides, tube rides, and a separate splash zone for little ones. It's easy to spend hours here without needing to leave the resort. Towels can be picked up daily with your towel card, and there's no deposit or rental fee, making it easy to move between the pool, beach, and gym without hassle. Whether you're looking to relax in a quiet poolside spot or want something more active and family-friendly, the amenities at Aishen Club give you the flexibility to shape your stay exactly how you want it. If you like having options built into your stay, the entertainment at Kamelya Aishen Club delivers more than most resorts in this price range. You'll find daily programs ranging from beach games and group fitness to casual competitions and poolside activities. If you enjoy a bit of structure without committing your whole day, it's easy to join in and just as easy to step back. At night, things shift to live music, themed performances, and open-air shows held at the shared amphitheater. These change throughout the week and are designed to appeal to both adults and families, no extra booking or cost required. There's also a kids club with supervised daytime activities, giving younger guests their own space while you take time to relax. Whether you're in the mood to participate or just want entertainment nearby, there's always something going on across the resort. There's also a small games arcade with air hockey, racing games, and claw machines. It's not included in the all-inclusive plan, but it's a fun, low-cost extra if you're looking to fill some downtime in the evenings. Dining at Kamelya Aishen Club is built around convenience, variety, and volume. The main buffet restaurant serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner with rotating international themes. So even if you're here for a week, you won't see the same dishes every day. It's not gourmet, but the quality is solid, and there's always something familiar if you're traveling with picky eaters. What surprised me most was how well the resort handles peak times. You won't spend long queuing, and tables are cleared quickly so you're not stuck waiting. If you're used to crowded all-inclusives where meals feel chaotic, this one's noticeably more organized. You'll also find dedicated kids' buffet sections with simpler options like pasta, nuggets, and rice, which helps if you're traveling with younger children. For anyone with dietary needs, vegetarian and dairy-free options are consistently available, though you'll need to ask staff if you require gluten-free meals, as labeling can be inconsistent. There are also a la carte restaurants offering Turkish, Italian, and seafood menus. You'll need to reserve ahead, but there's no extra charge, and the change of pace makes them worth booking. For quick bites between meals, snack stations are spread across the property, and you're never far from a cold drink or fresh pastry. Despite the amazing value on offer, there are a few things to keep in mind. Crucially, Kamelya Aishen Club is a seasonal resort and closes each year from November 5th to April 15th, so it's not available for winter travel. If you're planning an off-season getaway, you'll need to look elsewhere. Check out my location-specific playlists on my main channel page for ideas. And while the all-inclusive package is generous, there are a few important extras that aren't covered. Spa treatments, including massages and body therapies, are charged separately and typically range from 50 to 90 euros per session, depending on the treatment. Also, the spa is adults only, so families won't be able to access it together. Airport transfers aren't included either. If you'd like a private round-trip transfer arranged through the resort, current rates are around 120 euros per adult and 40 euros per child. It's convenient but worth comparing with third-party options. For what you pay, Kamelya Aishen Club delivers an experience that punches well above its price point. With the current 51% discount, rates fall well below most full-scale beachfront resorts in the region, yet you still get access to a massive complex, daily programming, and resort-wide privileges usually reserved for higher category bookings. What stands out here isn't just the inclusions, it's the sheer scale of what's offered at this tier. Comparable resorts often limit entry-level guests to a single pool, one dining area, or fewer entertainment options. But here, you're integrated into a full resort ecosystem without needing to upgrade rooms or packages. It's not a luxury hotel, but for families and groups who care more about space, access, and variety than high-end finishes, the overall value is hard to beat. Especially during peak season, it's one of the rare resorts where the entry price still feels like a complete package. Kamelya Aishen Club is best suited for families, friend groups, and value-focused travelers who want the scale of a large resort without the high nightly cost. If you're looking for beachfront access, a wide variety of activities, and shared access to a full resort complex, all at a discounted rate, this is one of the smartest bookings you can make in the area. If that sounds like your kind of holiday, make sure to book while the 51% discount is still live using the links below, or check out my on-screen playlist for other great all-inclusive resorts across Turkey.